What's happening, everyone? Brian Mello again here over at Marty's Buick GMC on what is finally a beautiful spring day. If you're not from around here, it's been raining for the last like 30 days. It's unbelievable. Also, you probably won't understand, but this is very important to start your midday off with Dunkin' Donuts because America runs on Dunkins. Anyway, this is a 2019 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 with the correct wheel and tire combo. That's very important because this thing comes in a couple different variations, and this one that I'm in is the correct one. Now, before we get right into it, hopefully the wind noise isn't going to totally destroy this because it is blowing like crazy out here. But before we take a look at the truck, go over some of the specs and features and all that jazz, let's just get a cooler, nicer, newer view of it or something like that. Let's look at it.
On the way to being free.
Alright, so now that we know what the truck looks like, let's go over some of the features of the specs, what makes this the AT4, what makes it special, blah, blah, blah. So let's start with the basics. It's a 2019 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 in double cab configuration, and this truck's fitted with the 6.2 liter V8, which gives you 420 horsepower, 460 foot-pounds of torque, matched up to a 10-speed transmission. You can tow about 9,400 pounds with this truck, and realistically, you'll get about 16 miles per gallon combined city and highway driving. So what makes the AT4 the AT4? Well, a couple of things. The biggest one that you notice right off the jump is the front tow recovery hooks are red, always on an AT4. You get the black chrome grille, and they use black chrome accents throughout the truck, both outside and inside. You also get a 2-inch factory installed lift kit, which is probably the biggest change as far as the previous generation, which was the all-terrain, hence the AT4. You also get AT4 exclusive wheels and tires, AT4 exclusive interior. You also get the X31 package, which is built into the AT4, so you get the 2-speed transfer case, you get the skid plates underneath, you get the off-road suspension with the Rancho shocks. This truck, you also get the adjustment, so you, depending on the terrain you're in, so if you're on snow, sand, sleet, pavement, whatever it is, you can actually change the truck's adjustments in order to fit whatever it is that you're driving on, which hopefully is a lot of dirt. Lots of dirt and sand. Or if you're in New England, it's going to be snow. Hopefully a long time from now. Now, if you remember, I said that if you're going to get this truck, you have to order it with the right wheel and tire combo. This truck has that. This one's on the 18-inch wheels on 275/65 Goodyear Wrangler tires. It's a little bit more of an aggressive tread. I feel like the 20-inch wheel and tire setup just kind of takes away the whole off-road look of the truck, which is what you're going for if you're buying an AT4. So that's why I say that if you're going to buy one, this is the wheel and tire combo to get. The front of the truck looks absolutely incredible. You have the AT4 grille, which looks just perfect with the truck. It matches up with the high intensity LED headlights. Of course, you get that LED C-notch day running light. You have LED fog lights down low. And of course, the red toe recovery hooks just set the whole look off, in my opinion. Now, it is a pickup truck, so of course, we got to talk about the bed a little bit. You have best in-class cargo volume on the Sierra 1500. You also have 12 tie-down straps inside, or I should say 12 tie-down hooks. You have interior bed lighting. You've got the 6-way multi-pro tailgate, which I'm not going to get into right now. I'll save that for another video. However, if you do want to learn more about the multi-pro tailgate, I'm going to leave a link in the description below so you can click that and it'll give you all the information you could possibly want on that. You also have the trailer tow package on this truck. It's all set up and ready to go. Here comes a plane. It is a beautiful day for a flight, huh? You also have the easy step rear bumper on the back of this truck with handholds and the bed rails, which makes getting in and out of it a lot easier. Add that with the multi-pro liftgate, you pretty much have everything you possibly ever need in the back of this truck. You also have an optional 110 volt AC outlet that you can have put in the bed of the truck as well, which is awesome. So if you're like a construction guy and you need a power saw and you need to plug that thing in somewhere instead of like chasing an outlet or running extension cords 300 miles away, you can just plug it right in the back of your truck, which is awesome. Inside the truck, this thing is packed with more technology than, I mean, Steve Jobs would be jealous at the amount of tech packed inside this thing. You have everything you could possibly want. You have a full 8-inch color touchscreen display, AM, FM, XM satellite radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice commands, full Bluetooth smartphone integration. You have a 15-inch heads-up display, multicolor 15-inch heads-up, but 15-inch heads-up is bananas. It doesn't even make any sense. If you're worried about places to plug in, this thing's got you covered. You've got 2 USB ports, you've got 2 USB-C ports, you've got a full power outlet, you've got a 110 volt full power outlet like you'd have in your home. As far as creature comforts, you've got heated seats, you've got heated steering wheel, you've got air-conditioned seats, you've, of course, full digital climate control, power everything, 8-way fully adjustable seating. You've got lane departure warning, lane keep assist. So if you were to drift out of your lane, it'll actually nudge the wheel, keep you in your lane. You got forward collision alert. The truck will actually apply brake at low speeds if you're gonna hit somebody. Say like you're sitting in traffic and you're rolling, not paying attention, looking at your phone, you know you do it. Looking at your cell phone, rolling, the truck would actually brake for you. You've got auto start and stop. So most new vehicles, when you pull up to like a light and you stop, the engine shuts off. Well, this actually has a button so you can turn that option off. I'm personally not a huge fan of that, so I'm really happy that this truck has the option to turn that off because I just don't like it. That's just me. If you want to save a little bit more money on gas, leave it on. If you just hate that start and stop, just hit the button and turn it off. You've got your trailer brake controller. You've got all your headlight controls on the left side. Your four-wheel drive controls on the left side of the steering wheel. You have all the steering wheel controls you could possibly want. You can change all the options on your gauge cluster. You can scroll through all of those, view what's going on. Me personally, I usually leave it on navigation just because it's easier than looking at the IntelliLink system all the time. That's just me. You can also project the navigation on the heads-up display as well. And with it being a 15-inch heads-up display, well, I mean, what more could you ask for? I did try and get some footage of the heads-up display. Maybe I'll grab some from GM and throw it in there. It's just hard to film. It never comes out really right, so I kind of gave up. I'll be honest, I kind of gave up. Other than that, you do have the mode selector as well on the left side of your steering wheel, so you can change the modes. That's what I was talking about, when you can change it from sand, snow, whatever you're driving in, rain, dry pavement, so you can make all those adjustments right on the fly. The truck has 10 cup holders. 10. In case, I don't know, you need 10 cups to be held. 10 cup holders, and the people in the back were not forgotten, so they have plenty of cup holders back there as well. They also have a USB-C port, a USB port, and a power outlet, so they can stay charged, and they also have vents in the back now. I know that was like a complaint for the longest time about no vents in the back. Well, they have it now, so now no one can complain about the no vents in the back. The leather interior on this truck is awesome. It's black leather interior, unique to the AT4 with that chocolate brown. I call it chocolate brown. I don't even know what they call it, but I call it chocolate brown. It's like a chocolate brown accent. I think it looks really great. You also have the AT4 logo embossed on the headrest, which looks really good as well. You get dual glove boxes in this truck, top and bottom, so you have plenty of places to store things, including in the console, which you have more USB ports in there, of course, an auxiliary jack, because you just don't ever have enough places to plug in this truck. You also have a really unique rear view camera in the mirror. So this truck does have the 360-degree vision camera system, so you can see every angle, all your blind spots, everything when you're backing up or moving this truck around, which I'll show you. But in addition to that, you have the rear view camera in the mirror. So it's not like It's not like when you used to put the trucks in reverse and the mirror turned into like a rear view camera. This thing, the full mirror is an HD camera. And I'll show you that right now so you can get an idea of what I'm talking about. You can also adjust that. You can adjust the brightness. You can adjust how zoomed in and out it is. Me personally, I leave it as wide as it can go to give me a better field of view behind the truck. But awesome feature. I will never leave the thing in normal mirror mode. It just doesn't make any sense to me when you can have this awesome HD full widescreen view of everything that's behind you. Of course, you still have OnStar in the truck. It is a GM vehicle, so you do still have OnStar. You've got programmable garage door openers. You have LED interior lighting. Like I said, the truck is absolutely stacked as far as creature comforts and features inside. Safety features are plenty. Lane departure warning, if I didn't highlight that enough. So if you are drifting out of the lane, your seat will actually vibrate on the left or right side, corresponding to whichever way you're fading out of the lane. So that's a really nice feature as well, once again, because we all know that everyone's looking down at their cell phones. But this thing has enough screens inside, you shouldn't look at your cell phones anymore. But you're still going to do it, so what can we do? You also have a wireless charging station, so if you have any Android phone with a conductive back, any new iPhone, you can actually just set the phone down and it will charge wirelessly without you having to plug in. So that's a nice feature to have, so you don't have to have wires running around the truck. It's just annoying. However, if you do have to have a wire running out of the truck, they did channel the console, so if you plug a wire inside the console, you can run it out of the console without having to pinch the wire, which is awesome. All right, it looks like someone may have eaten half this window sticker, but let's get into it anyway. So the standard vehicle, I'm not going to go over everything because I'd be here all day, and you probably don't even care. But let's go over some of the stuff. The standard vehicle price is $50,800, and then there's a whole slew of options that were added on, and those are what I'm going to go over. So the AT4 premium package alone, that's $3,100. You get the rear sliding power window, navigation, Bose audio system, the wireless charging dock, front and rear park assist, you get lane change alert, side blind zone alert, rear cross traffic alert. You have the 6-inch rectangular side steps. You also have the trailer tire pressure monitor system, the 6.2-liter upgrade, that's $2,495. The technology package, that's $1,875. That includes the HD surround vision camera system, so that 360-degree camera system, the rear camera mirror, the multicolor heads-up display, so the 15-inch heads-up display system, your 8-inch full-color IntelliLink system with the driver alert package 2. So driver alert package 2, that's $745. That gives you the forward collision alert, lane keep assist with lane departure warning, and low-speed forward automatic braking. So that's like what I was saying, where if you're like in traffic on the highway not paying attention, like you should be, and you're about to crunch into the guy in front of you, the truck will actually apply the brake for you, so save your insurance. Front pedestrian braking, so you don't run people over in the crosswalk that you're running through because you're paying attention to your cell phone again. The high-intensity IntelliBeam headlamps, following distance indicator, and the safety alert seat, so they vibrate on the left side or the right side of the seat, depending on which way you're drifting. Smoky Quartz Metallic is the paint, and it's an upgraded paint job on this truck. It's $395. It's a beautiful paint. I tried to get a couple shots of it in the sun. I'll show you those now, hopefully get you an idea. There's a couple metallic paint jobs that GMC is offering now. A bug just flew in my eye. I got it. They're sweet. I actually shot a video of a satin steel metallic paint on a truck yesterday or the day before. Gorgeous color. I can't even believe it's a factory color. They did a great job. The Goodyear Wrangler DuraTrack tires, $295 option, which brings us to a total of, oh, they did put some savings in here. But total vehicle price, so the MSRP on this truck is $60,700. And yeah, we're going to leave it at that. Hopefully I highlighted, I didn't want to make the video too long. Hopefully I highlighted stuff that you were interested in. Hopefully you enjoyed kind of the beauty shots. Still trying to get a handle on how exactly I want to do all these videos. But seriously, I thank you all for watching. If you haven't already, please follow along, like, subscribe, drop a comment below. Let me know what you think of the new look of the 2019s. Let me know what you think of the AT4. Maybe you're driving one already. But yeah, hit the bell too. I'm supposed to tell you to hit the bell, otherwise you never, I guess subscribe doesn't even matter anymore. If you don't hit the bell, you don't ever find out. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for following along. I appreciate all you guys. Make sure you visit the dealership, martysbuickgmc.com, for letting me take this truck and shoot it for you. And yeah, enjoy the rest of your day. I'm going to try. It's absolutely beautiful. It's been raining forever. I think I mentioned that earlier. This is actually day 2 that I'm shooting this, because yesterday the wind noise was so bad that I actually had to throw out everything that I recorded and start all over today. So yeah, now you know the struggles of YouTube life. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Take care.